all, this video contains information about forensic science instrumentation technique written by Yukta Guglot, Secretary of Applied Forensic Research Sciences, presented by Nikita Bhatkulkar, Volunteer of Applied Forensic Research Sciences. Content of this video is HPLC and gas chromatography. HPLC is abbreviated as High Performance Liquid Chromatography, also referred as High Pressure Liquid Chromatography. It is a technique in analytical chemistry used to separate, identify and quantify each component in a mixture. It relies on pump to pass a pressurized liquid solvent containing the sample mixture through a column filled with a solid adsorbent material. Each component in the sample interacts slightly differently with the adsorbent material, causing different flow rates for the different components and leading to the separation of the components as they flow out of the column. Principle. The separation principle of HPLC is based on the distribution of the sample between a mobile phase and a stationary phase. Depending on the chemical structure of the sample, the molecules are retarded while passing the stationary phase. Types of HPLC. First is normal phase of HPLC column. Second, reverse phase of HPLC column. Third, ion exchange HPLC column. Fourth, size exclusion HPLC column. Significance of HPLC. It is a versatile, robust and widely used technique for the isolation of plant product, used in pharmaceutical companies for drug companies, helpful in testing bulk amount of drug material. HPLC is a useful technique in detection of drug from the urine sample, plays important role in identifying the unknown drug from blood, serum and urine. It is easy to use and provide accurate result. Gas chromatography, also referred as gas-liquid partition chromatography. Gas chromatography is the process of separating compounds in the mixture by injecting a gaseous or liquid sample into a mobile phase, typically called the carrier phase, and passing the gas through a stationary phase. In gas chromatography, the components of a sample are dissolved in a solvent and vaporized in order to separate the sample. By distributing the sample between two phases, a stationary phase and a mobile phase. The mobile phase is usually an inert gas that is unreactive in nature, such as helium, argon, nitrogen or hydrogen. Types of gas chromatography. There are two types of gas chromatography. First is gas-liquid chromatography and second is gas-solid chromatography. Significance of gas chromatography. Useful in food quality analysis, useful in detection of blood alcohol, helpful in determining drug or alcohol consumption in the deceased. Gas chromatography plays crucial role in detection of sample in fire and arson cases.